This experiment we learn the Rutherford's atomic model. Today we will do the experiment or the Rutherford's atomic model. We will learn it. Okay. So Rutherford had done an experiment where he used a gold sheet. See, this is one atom of a gold sheet. Okay, and there is something inside it. That one Rutherford don't know. Okay, so beside the atom he placed a screen, and he passed some alpha ray through it. So first one alpha ray it passed. So what happened? It come and bounce back. Okay. Then other alpha rays he passed. That alpha ray got slightly deflected. Then other alpha ray he passed. That one also got slightly deflected. Okay. But the other rays that gone straight. Means from this experiment he observed. What was his observation? That there is something positively charged particle inside the atom. It is very tiny. That is why only one atom bounced back. See this one, only two rays got deflected. Means this will not be an atom, this will be ray, because they see only one ray and two ray got deflected and other ray passed straight. So from this experiment he observed these three things and he conclude that there is something positive tiny particle inside this atom. That is why only one ray bounced back, two rays got slightly deflected, but the other rays went straight. So from conclusion he conclude that there is something that is why this observation occurred. So he named this thing as the nucleus. And after more experiment, he tell that the positive charge in it the positive charge containing is they are the protons, because they are positively charged. So that is why it contains protons. Okay, he was a scientist of New Zealand. Scientist of New Zealand. and this experiment he had done in 1911. So from this experiment we understand the Rutherford's atomic model.